employee engagement plays an important role in a culture-based IT organization. So let us understand, what the definition of employee engagement is in this reference. When we think about employee engagement, we usually think about, just keeping an employee engaged or busy. That's the generic definition, but in reference to, the culture part of it, it is actually employees' emotional commitment towards the organization. Okay, their willingness to do the work for the betterment of the organization. It may even lead to extensive hours just to achieve a goal or something of that sort. And engaged employees are enthusiastic and dedicated towards their work. Okay, that's the basic outcome what we get from employing engaged employees. Okay, now some of the benefits of employee engagement, improved productivity. So engaged employees are more focused, productive, and have a positive impact on the project's outcome. Okay, enhanced innovation. So if a employee is engaged, as in emotionally, connected to the company, he will definitely come up with ideas, a lot of innovative ideas. Let's not get this wrong that not every idea will, be valid. Out of maybe say 10 ideas, maybe 4 or 5 may be valid, but that shouldn't demotivate an individual from coming up with ideas. Okay. Next is reduced turnover time. It will lead to long association with the company, and also delivery of projects in a timely manner. Customer satisfaction, which is one of the most important aspect of our organization, that is offering a better customer service, and ultimately making sure that the customers are happy. Last is a positive reputation, the company's image basically. So if the employees are connected to what they are doing, automatically it will have a positive impact on the reputation of the entire organization. Elements of employee engagement is meaningful work. Okay, what is meaningful work? Okay, assigning a task that aligns to the employee's skill, passion, and more importantly, as per market demand. So just imagine if you're a front-end developer and you like doing that. That doesn't mean that you will always get. You have to be having an open mind to explore your horizon. Okay, as and when the market has a demand for a particular skill set, you should be open to learn that. Put in extra effort, and that will also be like meaningful work for you. Recognition and appreciation, acknowledgement and reward for accomplishments. Okay, so I would say that I'm very glad that our company is living up to this R&R culture, wherein rewards are given for your monthly performer of the month, then annual awards and stuff like that. Clear communication, okay, foster transparency in all aspects of the company. So the recent example I would say is during COVID time or earlier this year, wherein the company wasn't doing that well. It was very openly discussed that about this situation, and even during COVID, it was a similar situation. We all were not sure of what would happen, but this was openly, communicated to all the members of the team, and nothing was kept hidden. Professional growth, okay, provide opportunities for skill development and career advancement. So this I think is covered under, like, in recent time we have made it official under KEKA. So personal goals are given, wherein the TL assigns you some of new technologies to try your skills on, and this ultimately will benefit in your career advancement. Healthy work-life balance, promote flexible schedule and wellness initiative. So I think a mental health initiative is going on at the moment. We also have a lot of other, from time to time, I think HR has a calendar planned in particular months, like in some months there were yoga sessions and stuff like that. So that is, these are the elements of employee engagement. Okay. The role of culture in employee engagement. A strong culture is the foundation of employee engagement in IT organization. Culture emphasizes value, purpose, and a sense of belongingness. So, like the best example would be during the interview process. Assessment is done for your technical abilities. Then ability to grow and learn new things. And most importantly, if you're culturally fit, you may be having a high score in the technical aspect of it, or interpersonal skills, but if you're not culturally fit, it will be very difficult for you to adjust in the organization, or even work with the functions of the company. So that is a very important part of our organization, and that we spend a considerable amount of time for culture development as well. And one example is this PDC, your culture session, your technical session. Time out of your dedicated 9 hours of daily work is been set aside for your personal development or for your learning. So that is a very proud thing that I could speak about. Okay, strategies for fostering engagement, leadership involvement. Leaders should lead by example, show commitment to engagement, open communication channels. Okay, regular feedback sessions, team meetings, suggestion platform, and communication plan. So, okay, regular feedbacks we have on Keka Pulse survey. Then we also have your anonymous feedback, which are reviewed in the week session. We have discussions regarding the same, which can be brought up during even scrums and suggestion, and we have a communication plan in place, wherein a hierarchy is defined, how to approach and who to approach whenever faced with a situation wherein there is a disagreement or something of that sort. Empowerment, okay, delegate decision making authority to boost employee sense of ownership. So the simplest thing would be when we have all hands meetings. At times we encourage the new joinees to speak. That is one of the simplest way where we encourage employees to speak up and the thing. Secondly, also, like when we have a quarterly goals or quarterly goals, wherein we have to create some videos or write an article or write a blog. We give this delegate this ownership to a fairly junior member to ensure that all the other team members get the blog or the article written. So in this way, this is a small stepping stone for the newer members to have a sense of authority. Okay, next is skill development. So we have already covered this, provide training and mentorship programs for career growth. That is done to your personal goals. Social event and team building. Okay, so foster the sense of camaraderie through fun activities. So we have a Friday fun activities. Then every half yearly, I think there are team bonding activities where the team goes out. And also on the pod level, also we have team bonding activities, maybe once a month or once in 2 months. Wellness initiative, prioritize employee well-being through fitness program, mental health support. So I have already discussed about this, that HR has a calendar planned regarding the wellness of the employee. Measuring employee engagement. Okay, so we utilize surveys, feedback from regular check-ins to gauge employee engagement level, analyze data to identify trends and areas of improvement. So recently, since last quarter, the management has been pushing team members to participate diligently in the Keka Pulse survey, not only with ratings, but with comments, especially if the rating is low. The reason behind this is, suppose, some employees are not happy with how things are going, and they can give recommendations, and based on the stats and the recommendations, with this metrics, uh, crucial decisions can be made. Okay, that would ultimately end up in helping the employees. Yeah, overcoming challenges. So resistance to change. Human nature is change, to accept change is very difficult. The mindset is things are going on well, let's not change it and make it difficult. That being said, growth comes with change. If you want to grow, you have to be open to change. You have to accept change and work towards that change. Okay, remote work, utilize technology and virtual team building and communication. So since we are spread across 3 different offices that work, and the main headquarters, so we utilize technology, but we do have team bonding activities to get the team members in sync and on the same page. Okay, diversity and inclusion, have a inclusive environment where all voices are heard. So we already have the anonymous feedback and also anonymous feedback form that goes around, and also on Keka we can give anonymous feedback to individuals as well. Okay, but it shouldn't come to that level. We do have a communication plan that has to be utilized, and a resolution for the same can come from that as well. Okay, so long term impact of employee engagement. Okay, increase employee retention. Engaged employees are more likely to stay with the company, attracts top talent. A positive reputation attracts skilled professional. Sustainable growth. A culture of engagement support consistent organization growth. So I can give you an example of attract top talent. Like when I applied for this position, I saw a lot of involvement of not only the HR but the team members on LinkedIn. There were a lot of posts, there were comments, reposting, and a lot of activity, I would say, of HGI on LinkedIn, and that is one quality that attracted me to apply for this organization, and it cemented my confidence that this is a culturally very good organization. So yeah, and in conclusion, okay, employee engagement is a cornerstone of a culture-based IT company success. By fostering engagement, we empower employees to contribute their best, drive innovation, and create a positive work environment. Okay, so to conclude everything, the culture part of the company plays a crucial role. Okay, not only for sustenance but an individual growth. You may not think of be in the organization for a very long time, but when a culture based company gives you the opportunities, like opportunities from the allowable time of your shift or your day to improve yourself, it gives you an advantage. Take advantage of the situation. Okay, come up with good ideas, and overall it helps in creating a positive work environment.